In 1894, a former American Civil War major named Nathan Boynton first set eyes on the area that now bears his name. He built the famous Boynton Hotel in the city, where he also spent winters with his family. If you need to sell your house fast in Boynton Beach, Florida, BiggerEquity would definitely help you. We are a company that offers an innovative idea. We buy your house for cash. We fix it and make it market ready. We market your house and resell it. And when we do, you get a share of the profit. This way, you can sell your house with BiggerEquity. Why sell traditionally and wait months or even more? We will buy your house in as little as 7 days. You don't have to worry about realtor commissions, repairs, cleanups, paperwork, or closing costs. So, sell your house with BiggerEquity. Contact us today at 954-372-7873 or visit our website at BiggerEquity.com.